So I have been asked what are some of the techniques that I have used in my business to generate more sales. And honestly speaking, there's one technique that I've been using again and again since the day that we work as a freelancer until today that we are running a business whereby we provide an animated learning material for preschool in Singapore. And these techniques works every single time. And the good thing is that we don't have to change anything in our offer, like nothing. But in fact, we just have to change the way we present our offer. And I am going to share with you in today's video. So make sure you watch until the end to learn this and implement it right away. I'm sure you have been to the cinema. Before you step into the cinema, you went ahead and buy yourself some snacks. Now, before you even realizing, you are presented at least 3 offers. First one is the regular a la carte or whatever you call it, whereby they just give you popcorns or drinks. And there are second offer, which is the combo, and it includes popcorns and snacks. And then you have a third option, which is the super combo. Basically, it is the same offer as the second offer, but everything is being enlarged. You got a large popcorn, you got a large soft drinks. Now, let's be honest, which one do you usually go for? Put in a comment down below. If you are just like me, chances are you will go with the second options. And this is nothing to do with manipulation, but this has got something to do with the psychology. Let's break it out in detail. Why do they even give you 3 options? Now, let's imagine this. If you go to the counter and you are presented with only one option. Hi, do you want a popcorn? No? Okay. Now you see, when you are facing these situations, the only answer you can go with is either yes or no. There's no other choice. But if you are the seller and you just tweak the offer a little bit and you give 3 options for your clients. Hi, which of the 3 options would you like to go with? Do you want the regular one, or you want the combo one, or you want the super combo? I think I'll go with the second one. That's just me. So you see how quickly it changes your selections from either a yes or no to regular, combo or super combo. Back in the time when we are working as a freelancer to provide video editing for clients, what we did is exactly the same. First option, the most economical options for the clients. Let's just put a number, $10 for example. That basically includes only the trimming and the basic editing. That's it. And then we go ahead and create the second options. And we charge it, let's say, $30 for example. But it includes an intro and outro this time round. And the trick here is that you want to place the price of the second options as close as possible to the first options, so that it creates a situation whereby the clients will feel that, okay, the second option is a no-brainer. Of course I will go with it. So that is the trick. Even though what we want to focus is on the second options, but we want to go ahead and create a third options which give it a little bit more price contrast. And here's how we do it. We are going to create a third offer which includes intro, outro, color grading, transitions, whatever you can think of, you just put it in and then you charge a high price, let's say $150. And now when you're ready with all these 3 options and you present it to the clients, the first thing came into their mind is that, whoa, $150 for all these things? Okay, this is not within our budget. I might go a little bit down. Now when he look at the second option, which is $30, suddenly he will feel that, compared to $150, $30 sounds like a good deal, huh? Let's go with this. Can you see how that works? If let's say you're lucky enough that you came across a client who is willing to pay for the $150 package, just take it as a windfall income, right? It's your lucky day, man. Just go and celebrate. So of course, there's just one trick that I have been using again and again in my business, and I believe it's going to work for you as well. So try it out yourself and come back and buy me a coffee if that works for you. And by the way, you can get a link to buy me a coffee in the description box down below. And one of my students has been using this effectively for his thumbnail design services. He will just create one thumbnail, like the one main thumbnail, and then he just tweak it a little bit and create another 2 more thumbnails. Instead of just giving one thumbnail design, he will present 3 thumbnails together and ask the clients, hey, Mr. Client, which one do you prefer? You will be shocked how this technique works. It is so simple and it works like a champ. Now that you have known this powerful technique, what you need next is a platform that provides you an opportunity to trade your skill for hundreds of thousands, if not millions. So check this video out.